Today we are Sunday. I already prepped my breakfast. I'm just waiting for my toast to be ready, and and I forgot to make my coffee, but I'm going to make this, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat. This is my breakfast. So the toasts are ready. I'm going to have them with this salted butter. This is some sourdough bread I toasted. So I have 2 boiled eggs. I'm going to have the toast with the boiled eggs, and I'm going to add some salt. See some salt into the eggs too. And I have some fromage blanc, but I mixed the fromage blanc with some Greek yogurt because I wanted something more creamy. Creamier, you say? I don't know, more creamy. And so I added some blueberries for sweetness. And maybe I'm going to add some cashews because I need to use up these cashews, but I'm not going to add everything, but maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. And of course I have some coffee, and I'm going to add some milk. So now I'm going to eat my breakfast, and I think the plan for this morning, I think I'm going to go to the open market. And this afternoon I plan to go to see an exhibition I've already told you about, I think, but last time it wasn't possible because I didn't register, and you have to register in fact to get some a ticket. And so this time I registered, so I think I don't think, I'm sure I'm going to go to see this exhibition. It's about Matisse, the painter. In between, of course, I'm going to have lunch, and we'll see what the day has to offer. I'm going to take you along. So now I'm going to, as I said, to eat, and I will see you later. This is everything I got from the market. So I got some celeriac because I'd like to make some celeriac with mayonnaise because I'm going to have lunch with a friend of mine tomorrow, and he likes so much this dish, so it's to please him, because in fact I don't like so much this, but I'm going to make it for him. I got some fresh beans because I've already told you, but I like this as starter with some salt. I got some sourdough bread, some butter. This is a beautiful yellow spring butter. I got this with salt because I like salted butter. I got some fruit. I'm pretty sure they're not going to be good because it's too early for peach and apricots, but they were from France, so I wanted to try. Because I like peach. I like peaches, so I'm going to have them and to try. I got this weird lemon from Italy, some onions, and a lot of herbs. So I got some parsley, some coriander, and some chives. Because in fact I spotted a recipe online I'm going to try for lunch. It's like my tuna salad I've already shown you with Greek yogurt, but this time it's with shredded chicken and with herbs. And I think the recipe I spotted was with mayonnaise, but I'm going to substitute with some to try with some Greek yogurt instead, maybe, or maybe a bit of mayonnaise. I will see. I'm going to make this for lunch. I got some onions, and I got this cucumber because I spotted another recipe online I wanted to try. Kind of Japanese like recipe. You know, the salad with cabbage. In this recipe, they substitute cabbage with cucumber. And you make this with diced cucumber and some sesame oil and vinegar and other ingredients I don't remember, and maybe some ginger, but no, I'm not sure. And it sounds very good, so I'm going to try. So I think I shown you everything. So now I'm going to make my lunch with shredded chicken. I saved this chicken from yesterday night, and I kept it in the fridge, and I'm going to skin it and to shred it to make this chicken salad. Yeah, kind of salad. And I put out some Greek yogurt, and I've got some mustard, 2 kinds of mustard, and all the herbs. Maybe I'm going to add some lemon too. Now the parsley, and I'm going to wash it first. This is our lunch, so with a chicken salad. Surprisingly, the chicken salad is very strong, very like a spicy taste, and I didn't put any spice, but I think that comes from the chives because it's a pretty strong chives taste, and maybe from the black pepper too, but I think from the chives, and in fact it's very, very good. And I like it, and I think I'm going to make this on repeat for lunch, you know, with tuna salad, and one day the tuna salad, other day the chicken salad. So I made some hard-boiled eggs too, and this salad, which is a very basic salad with lettuce and just cherry tomatoes. And I made this dressing to go with lettuce, so it's homemade vinaigrette with olive oil and mustard and vinegar. These are the fresh beans I've shown you earlier, and I put some salt to go with them. So I don't know if you're familiar with these fresh beans, but you just remove the skin and you eat them with salt. So I like this in spring. It's very good as a starter. I think I told you about the eggs. So I poured some water, of course. And I was thinking of toasting my bread, this sourdough bread, to go with the chicken. And maybe with a bit of salted butter I've shown you earlier too. Yeah, it could be very good. I'm going to test. And we have some reblochon for after the main dish. It's a cheese from the mountain, from the Alps. But pretty mild, in fact, very good for lunch. And for dessert, we have the fruit I've already shown you earlier. And we have some leftover blueberries too. So now I'm going to eat, and I will see you for coffee. There's the Ritz, the hotel, and I read the other day that you have a brunch on Sundays, and it's 250 euros per person. And so I don't know what you get for this price. Sometimes maybe some caviar or foie gras, I don't know. Now I'm going to make the celeriac, but I'm not going to film because it's the first time I'm doing this. So maybe if it's a success, I will show you this later in a future video. This is a cucumber salad I made with cucumber diced and some sesame oil, some sesame seeds, some garlic, pepper and vinegar too. So I'm going to store this in the fridge, have a big batch. And I'm going to go ahead and finish the celeriac too. This is our dinner with shrimp, prawns. So I don't know when you say shrimp and when you say prawns, in fact. Let me know in the comment section. So anyway, shrimp or prawns, and with a pinch of curry and a creamy sauce. Not a pinch, in fact, because it's pretty spicy. So a creamy sauce with curry. And I made this salad earlier. So this is a cucumber salad you saw me making. And some cherry tomatoes. I poured some water, of course. I have some sourdough bread to go with this cheese. And for dessert, I have the leftover blueberries I didn't eat for lunch, and some apricots, leftover apricots. So now I'm going to eat, and I will see you in my next video. Et donc merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé. À bientôt. Au revoir.